Let's face it, NYCHA's waste yards are awkward. They're noisy, they attract illegal dumping, not to mention rats and pests, and they take up valuable space in your play areas, residences, main streets, and public spaces. But with your help, under the Waste Management 2.0 plan, NYCHA and Grain Collective will transform places of trash into places we treasure in dozens of communities around the city. Our goals: reduce pests, odor, and noise. Reconfigure these pockets into socially active and responsive spaces that contribute to communities beyond waste management. And finally, with an eye to sustainability and innovation, we double down on our commitment to recycle, limiting the waste sent to landfills. How do we do it? We'll rethink these spaces, orienting them in ways to face away from entryways and open spaces, protecting sightlines from compactors and enhancing streetscapes, avoiding trash collection on street frontage. We'll refocus on design excellence and innovation. After all, why can't something functional be attractive too? And because these yards are recurring, we have the potential to create a strong image and identity throughout the city. From seating and game areas to dog runs, community gardens, and picnic areas, they won't be just waste yards. They'll be useful yards transformed into amenities which will benefit residents. So get involved. We want to hear your point of view as we rethink the waste yard in your neighborhood.